way we buckle a helmet. Buckle a helmet. Buckle a helmet. Buckle a helmet. 'Cause when we buckle up the tread, string and stroke at the track.
Nod heads.
This is the way we wear racing gloves, racing gloves, racing gloves, racing gloves. This is the way we wear racing gloves, grippy hands at the track.
Clap twice.
This is the way we lace our shoes. Lace our shoes, lace our shoes. This is the way we lace our shoes. No loose threads at the track.
Stop, stop. Stop, stop.
This is the way we clip our neck guard, clip our neck guard, clip our neck guard.
This is the way we
Clip our neck guard, strong and tall at the track.
thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
This is the way we strap our ribs tight, strap our ribs tight, strap our ribs tight. This is the way we strap our ribs tight. Safe spins at the track, spin in circles.
All a local.
This is the way we mix the fuel, mix the fuel, mix the fuel. This is the way we mix the fuel, two-stroke power at the track.
Pump fists.
An imaginary key. This is the way we start our cart, start our cart, start our cart. This is the way we start our cart. Vroom, vroom at the track. Rev arms.
Drive.
This is the way we swerve the corners, swerve the corners, swerve the corners. This is the way we swerve the corners, left, right at the track.
Lean side to side.
This is the way we stomp the gas, stomp the gas, stomp the gas. This is the way we stomp the gas. Zoom, zoom, zoom at the track. Right! This is the way we swing the brakes, swing the brakes, swing the brake. This is the way we slam the brakes. Screams at the track. Freeze pose. Go!
This is the way we
Win the race, win the race, win the race. This is the way we win the race. Drop free dance at the track.